There's no shortage of fans at Hiroshi Ichigaya's office. There's 2 built into his pocket, a pair at every employee's side. Chances are you'll always feel a breeze wherever you go. It's just like fanning yourself when it's hot, he tells me, but this is efficient. Ichigaya's turned a summer staple into big business, creating a line of clothing with built-in electric fans. The constant breeze inside the clothes helps lower the body temperature, creating a personal, portable cooling system. Ichigaya calls it the kuchofuku, Japanese for air-conditioned clothes. People ask why I wear a jacket when it's hot, he says. I tell them it's cooler than being naked. Case in point, Akiko Tanaka. Her office clocks in at a sweltering 88 degrees. No air conditioning, no sweat. I wear this at home while I do chores, she says. The temperature stays the same wherever I go. The brand isn't limited to jackets. There's the standard white shirt, 2 fans, a hooded jacket, a cooling cushion, and an air-conditioned mattress. My personal favorite, the 2-piece, 4-fanned anti-bee sting suit. Needless to say, it's tough to make any of these look fashionable.
I feel like an astronaut right now.
Yet this fashion faux pas has become the must-have of the summer, thanks to a power shortage triggered by Japan's triple disasters. Sales have soared as Japanese dial down the AC to slash power usage 15%. Even the Prime Minister's office is calling, asking for 500,000 jackets. Ichigaya declined because he was out of stock. Nearly 1,000 companies, including Toyota, use kuchofuku now, and word of Ichigaya's inventions quickly spreading abroad. He's talking to companies from India, China, and the U.S. about taking his clothing line global. Akiko Fujita, ABC News, Toda, Japan.